Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. We have a 67 Mustang here. Pan you back and get a better look at it. It's got the straight six in it, but look at this thing. It's had some custom modifications done to it. It's got an EFI, Sniper EFI, chrome headers. Nice looking set of ignition wires on it. Fuel pressure gauge. It's pretty cool, clean. I bet this thing runs good with that EFI system set up. Wow. Interesting. Very clean, well done. Very nice. Got an aluminum radiator in it. Pretty straight little old car. Very nice, man. I tell you what, no rip in the seat here. Other than that, the interior looks nice in this car. The interior looks nice. It's been repainted. It's been sitting in a tree. I can see some sap. You can put a clay bar on it. Man, it's nice looking color on this car. Really, you see so many of them, they're red and yellow. See a kind of a medium blue. Oh, look at the speakers back here. Yeah, she sounds, pumps out some sounds too. Probably a 3-speed. I didn't check that shifter. Let's see. I bet that thing's designed to accept the stock air cleaner too. Get your money. Let's see what we got. I can't, it's so dark in there, I can't see. Three-speed. I bet this little car runs like a champ. Starts up nice. It gets right decent mileage too. All right, folks, I just thought I'd show you that. I'm over at Harrison's garage. Thought I'd show you that car. It's pretty cool. Get that thumbs up, folks. We need them thumbs up. Always hit that thumbs up if you like this kind of content. We'll continue to bring it to you. All right, folks, Bob out.